IDAC Head, Adv Andrea Johnson, who holds the view that the Madlanga Commission's fact-finding mandate does not override her constitutional rights, has invoked her right against self-incrimination, against allegations of improper conduct, interference, as well as defeating the ends of justice, that were leveled against her for the manner in which she handled a criminal complaint against Major-General Feroz Khan. This is the matter is now before the NPA.
Now that the matter is before the NPA, on the basis set out above, for a decision on whether I should or not be prosecuted, various consequences emerge. One of those consequences of the need for me to have my rights protected.
The probe recently heard allegations from Hawks investigators Colonel Kobus Rulofsa, Captain Mark McLean, and Witness O, that Johnson furnished the contents of the case laid against Khan to the latter via a private email address sent to Witness O, and she then allegedly instructed Witness O to delete the email. The right Johnson seeks to assert was put to the test, with Johnson being asked to consider it overnight.
That the right she seeks to assert is not the right afforded any person interrogated by the investigating director or the directorate. And I wanted to understand if my understanding is correct or whether there is the same right. My reading of section 28 sub 8 read with sub 5 would seem to suggest that it's not. Which would mean the witnesses that the persons that they question cannot refuse to answer on the grounds that they would expose themselves to criminal charge. And it is precisely that ground she seeks to invoke.
While Johnson ponders on this test, the Commission shifted the subject to senior IDAC investigator Brian Padeachi's claim that he never had sight of the Section 27 referral in the probe into Brigadier Dineo Mukwele's appointment.
I don't know why he would not have seen this one. I also heard when he testified that he said he had not had access to it. It is something I can find out, but it is not ordinary practice that no one has sight of every document.
The hearings continue. Canny, Maphanga, SABC News, Pretoria.